Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. So yeah, the HBAR chart is currently following expectations. In the last update, I highlighted to you that HBAR might have started to work on this C wave in wave D of the triangle. Important is to mention that a D wave in a triangle must not break and sustain above the B wave high. And it is double top at the moment, okay? A slight break above is not a problem in a triangle, especially not in a volatile market. But important is we were watching for higher from here. Well, that unfolded. Support is holding. That is also very important. And now we just need to see if the market gives us a pullback, which could then represent the higher low in wave E. So far this triangle has pretty much unfolded as expected. Because a triangle, if you might recall that from previous videos, I explained it. A triangle is typically an A, B, C, D, E pattern. And then as soon as the E wave is complete, this would complete the fourth wave. And the expectations would be to for an upside breakout, in this case, a breakout to the opposite side of the E wave. Okay, so that might happen. But for a triangle, we need another higher low. Okay, so but that there is no minimum target for an E wave, so it could literally just be a short dip and then a breakout. Now, I'm not saying it couldn't break out directly, it certainly can. I'm just highlighting what would represent a triangle. Alternative interpretations are just in the orange count a high B wave, so A wave, B wave, C wave. But as I said to you, the orange count, while we have to be aware of it, we have to be cautious, cannot be confirmed until we break below the 23 cent level. So that's important. Essentially, we're still in a range, right? Down here was the support, the support area of the range. We've now moved into the resistance area of the range, which, as mentioned here, sort of is located around 32 to 37 cents. But really, for a substantial upside breakout, I need a break above the third wave high at 39 cents. Yeah. Because even if we push higher, as I said, it could simply be the B wave in the orange scenario. But the B wave, while it could even overshoot, it shouldn't really sustain above the 39 cent level. And yeah, overall, I think HBAR is still holding well. The support area we defined here never broke. And the idea of a wave 4 in this scenario, with possibly one more high to come in wave 5, remains a valid assumption and a valid scenario. So maybe a quick look at the daily chart to get an understanding of what are actually the next upside targets or upside levels to watch. The next upside levels to watch on the HBAR chart are 39 cents anyway, but that's the breakout point, you could say, and then 49 cents and even 66. But I wouldn't necessarily expect it to go up to 66. It can, but I wouldn't rely on it. So the 49 cent mark would be the next target for possibly then the last move up in wave C of that larger third wave. And then when that happens, we can adjust this support region a little higher. And then once we form that one more high here, then we can, with the adjusted support area, watch for a fourth wave pullback, which could then lead to another wave 5. So that's at the moment the idea. And on the shorter time frame, yeah, no sign that a major top has formed here or a substantial top in wave 3 until we break below 23 cents. And the white count is still slightly preferred, especially as long as we're holding above support. Below that 23 cent level, I have to prefer the orange count. That's when I have to, that's when probabilities shift, right? Okay, that's the update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.